Hi, good morning. So let's start with the Nifty analysis, and we will be seeing some stock analysis on where the swing opportunities can come across for us. So let's understand what's happening with Nifty. And as I had mentioned, this level in one of my previous videos is need to be taken out for the Nifty momentum to continue in the upward trajectory. And as you are seeing this momentum, the broad direction is towards the upside, so my bias will be towards the upside. Now if you see this big red candle, okay, and this resistance zone which I had mentioned here, a lot of shorts, okay, are in the system, and if Nifty makes a big move higher, these shorts will run for the cover. So expecting the Nifty to continue towards the upside, okay, as and when the price dictates, we are going to wait and watch what happens, but my bias is towards the broad direction. As I have kept mentioning, as I have kept saying, that always trade in the direction of the trend. The direction of the trend is towards the upside, and if the trade does not work in your favor, we need to keep your losses small. Okay, so these are the two key things that you need to appreciate and understand and is required to run this particular business, right? So this is the Nifty thing that you're looking at. So what is the level that I am looking at in terms of the Nifty? Okay, so this 22,800 level, okay, this 22,800 level needs to be broken out for the Nifty to continue its momentum towards the upside. It is taking support around these particular zones that we had seen previously, around 22,350 to 22,400 level. So this is the support that has been taken. Now for the Nifty momentum to continue, this level needs to be broken comfortably, and the auctioning happening towards the upside, the buying following up. Okay, as you had seen, there was a gap up in the previous session, and that gap up failed. Okay, we don't want to see that gap up. We want to see a Nifty make a move higher, consolidate, and then move higher and break this level comfortably, and the buying continues. So this is what is we are looking at in terms of Nifty. All right, so what are the other stocks that we are looking at in terms of swing for swing trade? Is this is the stock that I'm looking at, NMDC Steel. So what is the stock? So if you see the momentum, as I said, always trade in the direction of the trend. The broader direction is here towards the upside, so I am looking for the long trades on the particular stocks that I am discussing. So what is the trade and what level that I am looking for the long to be initiated on NMDC Steel Limited? Okay, let's go to the 30-minute chart. So now if you see this 67 mark, okay, we need to see the 67 mark taken out comfortably, okay, and the buying sustains, then that gives us the indication that the momentum will continue towards the is expected to continue towards the upside. Okay, so this is what I am looking at in terms of NMDC. First thing is I need to understand is the broader direction is towards the upside. Okay, and I'm expecting the broader direction to continue in the market. So this is one particular stock that you're looking at, NMDC. The next stock that I'm looking at is Himadri Specialty. Okay, if you see again, the stock that I have picked up is the momentum is towards the broader direction. Okay, so what I'm looking at in terms of Himadri Special Limited here is, if I go to the 30-minute chart, okay, if I look, the level that I am expecting to be broken comfortably and the buying to continue in the same direction is around 380 levels. Okay, if 380 levels, if you see the breakout happens and the momentum continues, the buying continues, the auction keeps going higher, then you see this stock moving higher. Now one specific thing that I want to discuss here is look at this particular consolidation. Okay, this particular consolidation is beautiful. So if the consolidation breakout works out towards the upside, then we need to see that this particular move happens towards the upside here. All right, so this is what I'm looking at on Himadri Specialty Limited. So the next stock that I'm looking at is this particular stock, Redington, which I had picked up earlier also, but there was no breakout that happened, okay, in one of my previous videos. So this is another stock. If you see this stock here, this stock has moved higher. Okay, now it is in a consolidation mode. Okay, so if this particular stock, okay, tends to break out the level that I'm looking at now, what is that level that I'm looking for? This to 220 level. Okay, if 220 level gets taken out comfortably, okay, this is the level that I'm talking about, and the buying momentum continues, the auctioning keeps happening towards the upside, then you can see this stock moving towards the higher side. All right, so this is the stock Reddington that I'm looking at. Okay, and the last stock that I'm looking at in terms of the swing trade, okay, this is the BLS International. Okay, the BLS International is the stock that I'm looking at now. If you see here, this has been the resistance here on the daily chart, and you see this is in a nice beautiful consolidation, and 350 level is acting as a resistance. Now what I'm looking for in terms of the the buying to be initiated, for the long to be initiated, is this particular level to be taken out, that is 353 level mark. The level, this particular level needs to be taken, this price level needs to be taken out comfortably, and the buying to continue in that particular momentum, the auctioning to happen, then you see a big a higher move coming in BLS International. Now having said all this, having done all this analysis, okay, I cannot place 100% guarantee in this, okay, as we are dealing with the markets are uncertain, so you need to trade based on your risk appetite. So you need to understand what is your risk, okay, how much loss you're taking, comfortable taking. You need to be prepared with that, and you need to keep your losses small, so you are protecting your capital, and you can do many more trades in the coming future. If your losses are big, then you will be left with no capital, and you will be handicapped to trade in the market. So always know your risk, okay. You need to have your stop losses in mind, where you're expecting the stop losses, okay, where you're placing the stop loss, and ensure that the stop loss is small, so that your loss is small, okay. And your targets, as I said, I keep saying I don't have any particular targets in mind. As and when the price moves higher, I will keep looking where are the points that I need to keep booking the profits, okay, because the market has the potential to give higher rewards, okay. So I want the markets to do its thing, and I want to just follow the markets. All right, okay, so this is the analysis, and these are the few stocks for swing trading. We'll update the new videos soon. Thank you.